In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable call history access on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select privacy and security. And then on the right side, scrolling down underneath app permissions, select where it says call history. Enable call history access by toggling this top option to the on position. And you can also do it for applications as well by expanding that drop down and make sure they're turned on down here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.